To get money off Zelle without a bank account, you need to understand the Zelle network and its capabilities. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. However, if you do not have a bank account, you can still receive money from Zelle through a debit card. First, you need to download the Zelle app and enroll using your mobile number or email address. Once you have enrolled, you can link a debit card to your Zelle account. This debit card will be used to receive funds from other Zelle users. When someone sends you money through Zelle, the funds will be deposited into your linked debit card. You can then use the debit card to make purchases or withdraw cash from an ATM. It is essential to note that not all debit cards are eligible to be linked to Zelle. You should check with your debit card issuer to see if it is compatible with Zelle. Additionally, some debit cards may have fees associated with receiving Zelle payments, so it is crucial to review the terms and conditions before linking your card. Another option to get money off Zelle without a bank account is to use a prepaid debit card. Some prepaid debit cards, such as those offered by Green Dot or NetSpend, are compatible with Zelle. You can purchase a prepaid debit card, link it to your Zelle account, and receive funds from other Zelle users. In conclusion, getting money off Zelle without a bank account is possible through a debit card or prepaid debit card. By following these steps and understanding the capabilities and limitations of Zelle, you can receive money from friends, family, or others without needing a traditional bank account. Always review the terms and conditions of your debit card or prepaid debit card to ensure you understand any fees or limitations associated with receiving Zelle payments.